Hello, NEET 2025 aspirants. Finally, there is the good news for all of you that NTA has clarified the doubt regarding the exam pattern or this exam mode. So, conducted in pen and paper mode in single day and single shift. That means, as usual, like it used to happen in the past years. And plus, they have notified the students if you want to take admission in BMS, BUMS, BSMS, or BHMS, or BSc nursing, even in the military nursing services, you have to appear for the NEET exam. So yes, you have to qualify the NEET exam, and NEET score will be used for shortlisting the candidates for this BSc nursing in the army, right? In the armed force medical services hospitals. So you have to appear for the NEET exam. All the kids who are just want to, want to appear for these or want to take admission in these hospitals or in these courses. And in the continuation of this public notice, they also inform the students whosoever want to take admission in BDS or this veterinary animal husbandry courses. The selection would be on the basis of the NEET 2025 scores only. So those kids who are preparing for all these courses also, they have to appear for the NEET exam. That's all. This is the update. All the best, kids. In case you have any doubt, please write down in the comment box and stay connected with us for more update regarding NEET 2025.